In the unforgiving arena of wealth creation, victory belongs to those who master both inner governance and strategic warfare with unflinching dedication. Just as Sun Tzu proclaimed that supreme excellence consists in breaking the enemy's resistance without fighting, true wealth manifests when you position yourself where competition becomes irrelevant. The battlefield of business demands the iron discipline of a stoic warrior and the cunning insight of a master strategist. This mastery extends beyond mere tactical advantage. It requires the cultivation of a mind that can perceive opportunities in market chaos, maintain unwavering focus amid uncertainty, and execute with precision when others falter. The convergence of strategic brilliance and philosophical fortitude creates an unstoppable force in the marketplace. Understanding the terrain of opportunity requires the cold clarity of Stoic thought combined with Sun Tzu's principle of strategic positioning, elevated to an art form. When you see markets with unclouded eyes, stripped of emotional distortion and conventional wisdom, you discover opportunities others miss through their fear or greed. Supreme victory comes not from fighting every battle, but from positioning yourself where the war is already won before it begins. This demands a level of market intelligence that transcends surface analysis. You must understand the deeper currents of human psychology, technological evolution, and societal transformation that shape future opportunities. Your perception must operate on multiple levels simultaneously, seeing both immediate tactical advantages and long-term strategic implications with perfect clarity. In the crucible of market warfare, Sun Tzu's wisdom about attacking where the enemy is weakest aligns perfectly with the Stoic practice of rational analysis, creating a framework for domination. Your billions will not come from charging headlong into saturated markets, but from identifying undefended territories where your strengths can be deployed without resistance. The Stoic virtue of wisdom demands you see reality as it is, not as others believe it to be. This clarity becomes your supreme advantage. While competitors waste resources fighting over visible opportunities, you quietly build empires in blind spots they cannot perceive. Your strategic insights must cut through layers of market noise, identifying fundamental weaknesses in existing systems that can be transformed into massive opportunities. The path to extraordinary wealth demands you become like water, as Sun Tzu taught, formless, adaptable, finding paths of least resistance while maintaining unstoppable momentum. This fluidity must be anchored in Stoic emotional regulation, where neither victory nor defeat disturbs your strategic clarity. When others panic, you find opportunity. When others grow arrogant, you maintain humble vigilance. This adaptability extends beyond mere tactical flexibility. It requires developing an organizational DNA that can rapidly evolve in response to market shifts while maintaining its core strategic advantages. Your enterprise must function like a living organism, sensing and responding to changes before competitors even recognize the need for adaptation. Master the art of indirect warfare in wealth creation with sophisticated elegance. Sun Tzu's principle of deception finds its ethical application in market innovation. Instead of competing directly, create new categories where you define the rules of engagement. The Stoic emphasis on virtue guides this process, ensuring your success comes through value creation rather than mere value capture. Your greatest victories should come from battles your competitors don't even realize they've lost. This requires developing the ability to operate on multiple planes simultaneously. While competitors focus on visible market dynamics, you orchestrate deeper transformations that fundamentally alter the competitive landscape. Innovation becomes your weapon of choice, wielded with such sophistication that it appears as natural market evolution rather than strategic manipulation. Transform your organization into an army that moves as one, unified by shared purpose and iron discipline, elevated to unprecedented levels of coordination and effectiveness. Sun Tzu's teachings on leadership merge with the Stoic principle of justice. True authority comes not from position but from moral excellence. Build your empire on the bedrock of ethical practice and unwavering principle, creating loyalty that withstands any market turbulence. This organizational coherence must extend beyond surface-level alignment. It requires creating a shared consciousness where every team member instinctively understands and advances the strategic vision. Your enterprise becomes a living embodiment of strategic intent, where individual actions naturally align with collective objectives without explicit coordination. In the fog of market warfare, Maintain the Stoic practice of negative visualization while applying Sun Tzu's emphasis on comprehensive preparation with unprecedented thoroughness. Anticipate disaster while pursuing opportunity. Let others grow soft in success while you maintain the hunger of the underdog. Your greatest advantage lies in preparing for difficulties while your competitors bask in comfortable assumptions. This preparation must encompass not just obvious risks, but also complex interconnected scenarios that others ignore. Your organization becomes an entity that thrives on challenge, using difficult conditions as catalysts for innovation and growth. The battlefield belongs to the general who masters both timing and positioning with supernatural precision. The Stoic acceptance of what lies beyond control, combined with aggressive action in areas of influence, creates the perfect balance for strategic execution. Strike when conditions align, but maintain the patience to await the perfect moment. Let your competitors exhaust themselves in premature action while you cultivate your strength. This mastery of timing extends beyond simple market timing. It requires developing an intuitive understanding of the rhythms of technological advancement, social change, and economic cycles. Your strategic movements synchronize with these deeper patterns, creating compound advantages that accumulate over time. Your mind must become an impregnable fortress, guarded by Stoic principles and armed with strategic insight, elevated to a state of permanent strategic awareness. Build your capabilities in silence, strengthen your position without drawing attention, then emerge with overwhelming force when the moment is right. This preparation must encompass every dimension of business warfare: technological capability, market intelligence, organizational capacity, and strategic positioning. Your success becomes inevitable not through any single advantage, but through the systematic accumulation of overwhelming superiority across multiple domains. The ultimate victory in wealth creation comes not from destroying competitors, but from rendering competition irrelevant through strategic transcendence. Build your empire where others cannot follow, not because you block their path, but because they lack the vision to see where you are going. Let your success flow from the combination of strategic positioning and ethical execution, creating wealth that endures beyond any market cycle. This transcendence requires developing capabilities and insights that operate on a fundamentally different level from conventional business thinking. Your strategic architecture becomes so sophisticated that it appears as natural as gravity, an inevitable force shaping the market landscape. And there you have it, warriors of wealth, the powerful convergence of ancient battlefield wisdom and Stoic philosophy that can transform your path to extraordinary success. Remember, true victory in wealth creation comes not from fighting every battle, but from positioning yourself where success becomes inevitable. As Sun Tzu taught us, every war is won before it's fought, and building lasting wealth is no different. Take these principles, apply them with the discipline of a Stoic warrior, and watch how your strategic clarity cuts through market chaos like a blade through fog. If you found value in these insights, hit that subscribe button and join our growing army of strategic wealth builders. Ring that bell to never miss our weekly dose of ancient wisdom applied to modern wealth creation. Thank you for investing your time with Stoic Wealth. Remember, fortune favors not just the bold, but the strategically prepared and philosophically grounded. Until our next strategic session, this is Stoic Wealth, reminding you that the path to billions begins with mastering yourself before mastering markets.